Inbox settings in Teamwork Desk allow you to customize and define your inbox whichever way you wish. So I'm going to select settings over here. Let's click settings. And now we have a number of options here in the settings. So I'm going to select inboxes. So now we can see the existing inbox. We can add an inbox here. We can also filter an inbox. So we can type in what we're looking for. So in this case, it's support. So I'm going to select this particular inbox that I want to start working on. So we have our inbox name. We have the email address for the inbox. You can select an email language, whether that's English, French, Spanish, or a multiple number of options. We have an inbox image. You can change the public icon here if you wish. Also, if you want to use aliases, you can do that. So you can separate these by a comma. If you want customers to see the name of your agent, then select the user's name. Otherwise, the email from name is going to be the mailbox name. When I reply to a ticket in this inbox, the default status once I press reply is going to be waiting on customer. However, you can change this to any of the existing statuses that you have, including ones that you've already created. So I've made emergency. So that one is an option here for me if I wish. If we scroll down here, we have automatic email inclusion. So any email addresses added as a CC or BCC will automatically be added to the agent replies sent from within Teamwork Desk. And now keep in mind again, notes will not be sent. You can turn spam checking off or on. And the spam threshold can go from 1 all the way up to 10. And keep in mind, the higher the value, the less strict the spam threshold is. The happiness rating allows you to get some feedback from your customers once you mark a ticket as solved. So you can turn this off or on. You can have a happiness message, and of course you also have an email signature, and it's here. You can delete this particular inbox, or as I've made some changes, I'm going to select save. Moving on to email settings, our incoming mail, so we can see that we're forwarding all email from this particular email address, teamworkvideo2015@gmail.com, to this specific address here, and this is the actual email address for our inbox. When it comes to sending email, Teamwork can send your email, or you can also send an email with custom outgoing SMTP settings. In this case, I'm going to leave Teamwork send my emails. Once you've made any changes here, simply select save. Moving on to inbox permissions, we can see all the users who have access to this particular inbox. A green tick means that, in this case, Adrian has access to this inbox. Alan has no tick, so that means Alan doesn't have any access to this inbox. But if I want to allow him access, it's simply a case of clicking him. And there's a tick. We can add a new user here if we wish as well. And once you've made any changes, again, select save. Auto replies can be turned off or they can be turned on. And as soon as a customer sends a ticket, they're automatically going to get a reply if this is switched on. This is going to be the subject. It's going to be sent from your inbox or a user. And you can have a custom message here as well. And you can preview your email if you wish. Or you can select save. And of course, keep in mind, you can use variables as well here as well, which are covered in depth in another video. Again, once you've made any changes, select save. Canned responses can speed up your workflow hugely. It's very easy to create a new canned response. Simply select new canned response. So let's give it a name. I'm just going to call this one outro. We can share it and allow any user in the inbox to use it if we wish. And once you're ready to go, select add response. We can go to a ticket. Let's select this one here. And if we go into the reply of the ticket, we can simply select insert canned response. We can select what we want and then select outro, which is the one we've made. And instantly that's in there, and that's going to save you some time. Now let's bounce back to settings. Again, it's from our profile up here. Let's select settings. Let's go to inboxes. And let's go back to the support inbox where we were working on. And finally, triggers. These are the triggers that are for this specific inbox. We have triggers covered in other videos. They are quite simple to set up. They run either automatically or they run manually where you can trigger them yourself. In this example here, I'm going to take a look at one that we've already created. So this is an automatic trigger that's going to run constantly in the background. So if the hours awaiting reply are greater than 2, then there's an email going to go to the assigned agent going, hey, what's going on? What are you doing? So that runs in the background. So it's one less thing for you to worry about. And that concludes this video for the inbox settings. As you can see, it's very easy to customize your inbox and make them incredibly efficient and powerful for whatever you need.